Hazrat Hakam says, when permission has been sought from the preemptor before the sale, then he will not have the right of preemption. Shabi says, when a thing is sold in the presence of a preemptor and he did not raise any objection, he will not have any right of preemption. Hazrat Amr bin Sharid reports, while I was standing by Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama radiyallahu anhu came and he put his hand on my shoulder. Hazrat Abu Rafi, the slave freed by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, came and said, O Saad, purchase my both houses in your locality. Hazrat Saad said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not purchase them. Hazrat Miswar said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you should purchase them. Hazrat Saad said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give you more than 4,000 dinar, and that the payment will also be in installments. Hazrat Abu Rafi said, I was offered 5,000 dinar for them, and if I had not heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, a neighbor enjoys the right of preemption more than others due to his vicinity, I would not have given them to you for 4,000, whereas I was offered 5,000 dinars. So he sold both houses to him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2258.